Ladies and gentlemen, how to improve your rapping skills. My name is Ethan Esquivel. Let's get into the video. Tip number 1, write your lyrics down to a beat. You hear this awesome beat playing right now in the background? Get you a notepad out, get a pen out, and start writing. Start writing your rhymes. Alright, she said, she thinks of me, my aura, the opportunity to meet me, it's pleasing. Daydreaming about my future, it looks great. My present is appreciated. I'm the best rapper. Ethan Esquivel is the name. Fame was always meant for me. Success is my best friend. We always stuck to each other's side. Ain't no hiding away from reality. This is it. Spend it wisely. Put your head down. Use your knowledge precisely. My next girlfriend's name will be Miley. I'm so educated, I think highly. It's a shame not most men will experience a great wifey in this life. Yes, you're beautiful, baby. You had to remind me. Staying away from the crowd, I am me. Rejecting your red flags kindly. Stuck in traffic, I see you staring behind me. Write your lyrics down. Next tip, rap over the beat. Okay, you wrote your whole page down. You wrote it all down, right? You're listening to the beat. Okay. She said, she thinks of me, my aura, the opportunity to meet me, I'm pleasing. Daydreaming about my future, it looks great. My present is appreciated. I'm the best rapper. Just start saying the words to the beat. Get your flow going. Third tip, perform with confidence. If you're performing like, she says, she thinks of me, my aura, the opportunity, you gotta believe in yourself. Believe you are the best. I'm the best. Say it with my chest. I read the words off the top of my lungs from my journal. She said, she thinks of me, my aura, the opportunity to meet me. I'm pleasing. Daydreaming about my future. It looks great. My present is appreciated. I'm the best rapper. Ethan Esquivel is the name. Fame was always meant for me. Success is my best friend. We always stuck to each other's side. Ain't no hiding from reality. This is it. Spend it wisely. Perform like you are the best. Perform with confidence. Alright, those are the three tips on how to improve your rapping skills. Write lyrics to a beat, okay? Rap over the beat and perform with confidence. Let's go. Believe in yourself. You got this. You can achieve your dream. If Kanye West can make it, why can't you make it? If Miley Cyrus made it, why can't I make it? If Drake made it, why can't I make it? Like the video, I spread that value. I'm on a mission to spread positivity and make it normal. If you like this video, give it a like, subscribe to the channel. Our future is gonna be bright. It's gonna be a good life. 2023 is a beautiful year. Man, I can't wait for 2024, but man, I'm enjoying 2023. It's a good day. It's a good video too.